Me. I did.
Playtime should not be a parent's time to worry. Yet most of us recall that not long ago, millions of toys and children's products were pulled from store shelves because of small parts and high levels of lead. Congress responded with the Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act, mandating standardized testing and much stricter standards.
Toys imported from China, as toys manufactured in the United States and imported from other countries, all have to meet U.S. requirements and meet the U.S. laws.
1 year into the new rules, parents want to know, what's changed? Are toys safer?
Lead is now not only looked for in the paint and or surface coatings, it's also regulated in the full product, in the full toy. And it's not just toys that they're looking for lead in, it's also all children's products.
New laboratories are opening to help toy manufacturers keep pace with the compliance requirements and the regulations for children's products.
The CPSIA mandates that products intended primarily for children 12 and under need to be tested by a third-party lab.
The labs depend upon sophisticated technology to detect chemicals at minute levels. PerkinElmer, a global leader in human and environmental health technologies, develops some of the most advanced systems in the world for this purpose. This is the PlaySafe Analyzer, also known as an ICP. It determines lead and other toxic metals at astonishingly low levels.
We heat the sample to the point where it excites the atoms and they emit color. Each element actually emits a different color, and the ICP will be able to tell you exactly which elements are there and at what levels.
6 types of chemicals called phthalates are also on the Consumer Product Safety Commission's watch list. Phthalates are used to make plastics softer. Think rubber ducks or teething rings. At PerkinElmer, they make a system for phthalates detection known as a GCMS. It works like a very hot oven. Toys are ground up and injected into the system as liquid. It quickly heats the sample to a gas, sorts the phthalates by type, and takes a sort of fingerprint, identifying dangerous phthalates. So how can parents be certain that the toys they buy meet the new standards? Currently, certificates of compliance from third-party testing labs are required for lead in paint and metal jewelry. And soon, manufacturers must provide certificates showing their products have been independently tested for total lead in the product, as well as phthalates. Some toy store owners say they're already seeing that reassuring paperwork.
I get a certificate of compliance that's accompanied with each toy. Those certificates actually are proof for my customers and for myself that the manufacturers are adhering to the new, safety guidelines.
I do believe that the products that are on the market today for children are safer than they were in the past couple of years, for a couple of reasons. One, the regulations are absolutely driving more testing. Two, the manufacturers are doing a lot of testing and trying to confirm whether or not their products meet the regulations.
Expect to see acceptable levels of lead and other elements fall even lower under the Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act. Companies like PerkinElmer are helping to meet those demands and more. After all, many of the great minds developing this state-of-the-art technology belong to moms and dads.
Just one cookie.
They know that in the end, industry breakthroughs are important for the health of our children.